Hey, check out this 1947 Ford Super Deluxe. Big old fat fendered car here. This car has been California a long time, and it was driven everywhere. You know, this guy who had it, car show guy and car club guy, and they went all over the place in it. Look at that, RFAT 47. And it's got a 350 in it, and it's got a turbo hydro 350 tranny. It's a C model, which means it's got a lock-up torque converter. And it's got a Ford 9-inch in the rear with some 273 gears. Up front, TCI front end there with kind of the Mustang 2 style with the power rack and pinion, power disc brakes. And it's a really nice car. Drives well, well taken care of, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the interior here. It's all cloth, so very comfortable in the summer. It's got air conditioning, so that makes it even more comfortable. But everything looks pretty good on there, headliner and everything. Here's the dash. Got the clock. Got like an old AM radio, which, you know, if you look down here, you see those little tap toe things there to change the station. That's kind of cool. And the air conditioning underneath, modern. Recaro wheel, tilt steering. Column there, so that's nice. You know, make everything nice and comfortable. Power driver's seat. Pretty cool car. Everything closes nice and works real good on it. All right, here's the power plant here. Nice 350. Got some headers on there. Edelbrock manifold. Edelbrock carburetor. Get around here. It's got an alternator, so you know it's obviously 12-volt system there. And it's got 134 air conditioning, which is good. You can get Freon for that. You know, electronic ignition way back there, an Excel unit. So yeah, it's pretty nice, you know, and very reliable. Let's go ahead and start this up. Yeah, nice and quiet. A good running car. We'll go back and take a listen. Yep, got the right sound for a hot rod. Well, we got this beautiful car here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to Rich or Gary. Be more than happy to show you this nice car. Great car, nice driver. Take you anywhere. All right, here we go. We're gonna take a little ride in a 47 Ford Deluxe. This one's got a nice 350 in it, 350 tranny. It's a 350C, so it's got the lock-up torque converter. Very nice car, been driven everywhere. You know, it's got freeway gears on it, 273s. So, you know, it drives really great. And it's got, you know, power steering, power front disc brakes, TCI front end.
It's well sorted out, you know. It's nice when somebody owns this car and actually takes it out and uses it. Wants to spend to Arizona, spend in Northern California.
Yep.
Nice cold air conditioning.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you got the, you know, the vintage unit there.
Feels good. Feels nice and, you know, solid and not too bouncy.
Yep.
Nice suspension.
Got the, you know, little tap toe radio there. I mean, you could put a better stereo in there if that's what you want to do.
But I'd leave that one in the dash because that's really cool. That's retro.
And rare, you know.
It's even got a foot pedal to change the channels.
Yep.
In the factory.
Yep. Thing's got some good power. Not over the top, but very comfortable. Get yourself out of the way of anything. Stops good with those disc brakes. Yeah, look at that. Our finest over there, way out there.
Waiting for somebody. We better make a right.
Yeah, we better make a right. We don't want them to catch us. We don't even have licenses. Alrighty, so we're gonna go up to our picture spot here and see what's going on. Alrighty, let's try not to hit that truck. Alrighty.